This is the digital logic trainer. Having we can study the logic gate, Boolean identities and De Morgan theorems. This is a model number ME690. Here we have the logic inputs 0 or 1 with this switches. Here we have 1, here the 0. All the input connections and output for the AND gate ICs or gate ICs is brought out on this panel. Here we have the output indicators. First of all, I will tell you how to verification of gates. Here we have the gate, give the supply A, 3 input AND gates B and input C, and output is on LED. As per the manual, when all the 0 switch on the instrument, the output is 0. There is no effect whether 1 is 0. If all are 1, then output is 1. In this way, AND gate is verified. And you can choose any of gate and verify that. Suppose this is the NOT gate, and we have to connect 1 over here, get the 0, 0 and get the 1. So that NOT gate is verified. And the Boolean identities, we have the different theorems. A plus 0 is equal to A into A is equal to A, like that. Here we have the circuit. Suppose we have to make this circuit according to the manual. This IC is already internally connected. You have to patch this circuit. Suppose switch off the instrument. Here A plus 0 we have used OR gate. Input to A, and here the center position is short with the lower C, and the 1 second input goes to here. The connection is completed and output goes to indicator. Switch on the instrument. When all the state is 1, then 1. When any1 is 0, then A is represented. A plus 0 is equal to A. All the state is depend on A. Whether 1, it's 1. It's 0, then 0. And B always be 0. No, 1, 0, 1. Because I have connected AND gate, that is A into 1. A into 1. So that when it is 0, it is 0. Both is 0, then 0. A AND gate, we have connected this circuit so that the output like this. A, B always 1 state. Then according to A, 1 is to 1, 0 into 1, 0. And same connection for the OR gate. Then it is A plus 0, like that for the OR gate. 1, 0. B always be 0, and it's working. A plus 0 is equal to A. suppose you have to connect it that circuit, so that ABC input OR gate, we have two OR gates. Here we have two OR gates, two AND gates, one AND and one more OR, connected according to this to verify the theorem number 18. Here we have the theorem number 18 and here we have the truth table. Now here is the theorem number 18. A plus B into A bar plus C is equal to AC plus A bar B. Both are the same. So we have passed this circuit. We have all the OR and gates. This LED represent this side and this LED represent this side. So according to truth table, this LED is for represent this and the lower LED represent here. When according to the A, B, C, both are the 0. Switch on the all are the 0, both are 0. When C is 1, C is 1, both are the 0 here and here. When B is 1, both are the 1. B is 1, this is 1 and this is the 1. B or C1, the state is same. And when 1 0 0 1 0 0, both are the 0. 1 0 0 0 and 0. When all are 1, this is 1, this is 1 in the same way. So that we can verify the theorems and the De Morgan theorems with this trainer. The main precaution is patching should be carefully according to the diagram given in the procedure, and if there is any problem, firstly check the wires whether they internally okay or not. Thank you.